Welcome to our video. In this video I will show you how I turned my loss into profit. So this is hourly chart of VIF coin, where you can see that on 5th June I took my entry on VIF at almost 0.9 something price with my 25% portfolio. After that VIF coin slides down and fell almost 13% to 0.796. You can see that it suddenly VIF coin just crashed away at 0.796. This was the point where mostly traders panicked and sold their asset. When everybody was selling, I took my entry again with 25% portfolio at almost 0.820. You can see my second purchase at 0.20. This time my purchase was around 0.820 with my exit point around 0.860, because in my point of view, if VIF coin has something bullish, it should hold above 0.860 or 0.868 almost. Otherwise it is bearish. So I took my exit point as key point for VIF, which is 0.868. so I placed my exit at little closer to 0.868, which was around 0.860. As I told you earlier, VIF bullish candle is only possible if it can hold above 0.868, but you can see in chart VIF could not hold above 0.868, but instead it is rejected from this zone. You can see that VIF was struggling to hold above 0.868. It just moved little bit higher than 0.868, which was around 0.881, and it got rejection from 0.881, which means it will again test its 1 hour support of 0.815. At that point I waited patiently and I took my entry at about 0.815 this time, and again I took exit at 0.865, which was almost 10% of my entry, and I took my exit on 0.860 because it was key level for VIF. If it has something bullish, then it shall hold above 0.868, but instead for waiting for a breakout, I preferred to take my profit of almost 10% from my entry, and this is how I have turned my 13% loss into 10% profit. How it was possible? It was possible with proper risk management, which helped me to turn my loss into profit. As you can see, 0.868 was the key level of VIF for me if it is bullish, and it is still capitulating around 0.860 or 0.868, and I am just waiting patiently for my new entry point. So if you have liked my trade setup, then please subscribe my channel, and I also post daily signals on Binance Care. On Binance Care, Vigor Crypto is my username. Just search and follow me for proper trade signals and for making profit. Goodbye.